Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make our Koso Lower Sugar Postbiotic Yogurt bar to support our gut health and relax our body and mind. Our mind and gut is connected. They are constantly communicating each other, sending signals and controlling our body and mind. Serotonin is one of the key chemicals for relaxation. When we have a normal level of serotonin, we are more focused, relaxed, we feel happy. About 90% of serotonin is made in the gut and stay in the gut. So gut health is very important to keep normal serotonin level. Yogurt bark we are going to make today contain lots of nutrients that support our gut health. As you already know, probably our Koso contain probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and polyphenol to support our gut health. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics as well. It has high amount of protein. I'm going to use two kinds of berries, strawberry and blueberries. They are high in polyphenol and some fiber. They are good for supporting gut health. This is a great snack to have at night. It's not too heavy and help you relax your body and mind. So try making this week and keep in the freezer so you can have it anytime. I'm using regular yogurt today. You can use plant-based yogurt if you like. Keep in mind, plant-based yogurt often contain more fat and less protein. Sometimes it contains additives. I recommend you to check the label and find something very simple. First, combine yogurt and our Koso. I have half cup of yogurt here and 2 teaspoons of our Koso Lower Sugar. If you are using our Koso Original, use 1 tablespoon. Combine them together and spread on the wax paper. I'm using beeswax today, but you can just use wax paper. This is about 7 millimeter thick. I'm going to add peanut butter. You can add any nut butter you like. If you don't want to add nut butter, you are allergic to it, you don't have to. And berries, you can add any fruit you like and as much as you want. Keep in the freezer for a few hours until it gets hard and enjoy. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.